Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get longer battery life on LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, if you want to have more extra hours of work on a single charge, open the control center, then click your battery level right here. This will redirect you to the power menu in settings, and here we want to enable battery saver. Battery saver will automatically dim your screen. In my opinion, a bit too much, so let's reopen the control center and let's manually adjust the brightness level and set it to average. Now also make sure to change this value to sleep and also enable this one so that we don't accidentally discharge our computer. And also don't forget to enable optimized charging to not let your battery age way too fast. Besides, now that we have enabled the battery saver mode, let's disable the applications, process and extensions that are working in the background by pressing launcher escape combination of keys and finding the excessive tasks in here. So let's go to all tasks menu, and if you see something consuming your device's CPU resources, something that you don't need to work right now, you can select this element and click end task, and this way you can get rid of the process that you don't need to be running so that they don't waste your device's battery. And lastly, if you're not using Bluetooth currently or Wi-Fi, you can open the control center and disable them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.